Hey guys, Miss J's here, back with another video. So today we are midweek and we are making a cheesy chicken loaded potato casserole. Okay, y'all get all of that? Cool. We're going to get really right into our recipe. I'm just going to show you guys my ingredients briefly and then call them out while I'm cooking, okay? But anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope hump day is turning out to be pretty good. We're on the downside. We're headed to the weekend. I know the weekend comes and it goes pretty quick, but hey, then we have to start the cycle all over again. But you know, it is what it is. But if you haven't subscribed and you just clicked on this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we make great recipes over here. Some budget friendly, some quick and easy, some just plain old delicious. So you don't want to miss any of the videos coming up. Again, thank you to everyone who's already currently a subscriber, and we really appreciate you guys. Let's get into this video. Let's get into this dish because, you know, it's dinner time and I need to get food on the table, okay? But let's go. All right, guys, as you can see, here is our final product, our cheesy. As y'all can see, I put a lot of cheese in here, so I put the cheesy chicken loaded potato casserole. I know you're asking, okay, well, loaded potato, we're missing, somebody might be asking, where's the sour cream? Don't worry, we got the sour cream. We're gonna put it on top, okay? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. This is a very, very, very easy recipe. Takes little effort. I won't say no time at all, but it takes little effort. But anyway, I thank you again for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful end to your week. Don't forget to stay tuned for Friday Night Fry. This week, it's going to be off the chain. Love you guys. See you later. Bye.